In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for project management. Trello is a versatile platform that offers an intuitive way to organize tasks, streamline workflows, and enhance team collaboration. If you're new to Trello or looking to optimize your project's management, this quick guide will walk you through the essentials in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by navigating to Trello's homepage. Simply open your preferred web browser and go to Trello.com. Here you'll find all the necessary options to sign up or log in. You can choose to log in using either Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack accounts for a seamless experience. Alternatively, you can always use your email address if you prefer. Once you're logged in, you'll enter your workspace where all the magic happens. At this point, you should see a dashboard displaying your current boards and projects. To create a new board, click on the Create New Board button. This is where you'll organize your tasks and projects into a visual format. Now, if you're unsure where to start, Trello provides a fantastic feature for beginners. That's the option to start with a template. By clicking the Start with a Template button, you'll access a library of pre-made board designs tailored to a variety of projects and workflows. Next, let's explore the templates. In the exploration section, utilize the search bar by typing in Project Management. This will filter the templates to show only those related to optimizing project workflows and task management. Once you've found a template that suits your needs, go ahead and click Use Template. This action copies the template into your personal workspace, allowing you to customize it to match your project's requirements. Having chosen your template, it's time to personalize it. You can easily add lists, label tasks, assign team members, and set deadlines to ensure your project stays on track. Trello offers various features like color-coded labels for categorizing tasks and due dates to keep you organized. As you use the template, don't hesitate to make tweaks. Move things around, add new lists, or even archive ones you no longer need. Remember, the board is a reflection of your project and should evolve alongside it. Trello's user-friendly setup makes it a practical choice for project management, whether you're an individual managing personal tasks or a team coordinating multiple workflows. By customizing templates, you gain a flexible foundation to handle your projects efficiently. Dive in, explore the options, and tailor Trello to make project management a breeze. I hope this guide has empowered you to start managing your projects effectively with Trello. Happy organizing and thank you for tuning in.